Namaste, I'm Dr. Ajay Sankhe. I'm a pediatrician and director at the Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, Mumbai. I'm speaking on behalf of Srimati Gadgi Akka Nagamma Charitable Trust regarding COVID-19 precautions of general mass of public. How do we deal with this COVID-19 pandemic? It is not a problem of one state or one community or one nation, but it is a problem of the whole world. Even the most powerful nations with a lot of excellent health infrastructure have come to their knees dealing with this COVID-19 pandemic. And it is not surprising that even India is going through this second wave, which has come as expected, but little bit to the surprise of most people who thought that it may not come. So, having said that, today as of now, we have about 2.3 crore patients in India. Out of that, 1.9 crore have already recovered. So there is a lot of good recovery. And 2.5 lakh people have died. Generally, our mindset is such that we get caught up with the negative news very effectively. That means it just sticks to our mind. And the whole discussion, the narrative is about death, failure, etc. But let me tell you that if 100 people are affected, 99 will become all right. Because today the death rate is about 1.09% in India. So most people are becoming all right. In fact, more than 80% people are asymptomatic. They do not have any single symptom. Or some people have a fever for 1 or 2 days and they're completely all right. So, there is no reason to panic. But at the same time, we cannot take this COVID-19 pandemic lightly also. We need to deal with it as it has attacked the whole nation. We have experienced lockdowns for several months. Now again repeat lockdowns. It's not easy to deal with such situations. And in such situations, our tendency is to make the government responsible, blame everyone else, blame the doctors, the medical system, blame the politicians, blame anyone except ourselves. So I am suggesting few things, that it is the equal responsibility of the governments who are responsible for health infrastructure, the availability of medicines, and the strategies. But to follow the strategies, to protect yourselves, that is the responsibility of each and every individual. And all of us, we have our own circle of influence. In that circle of influence, you are a Shrestha. Shrestha means one who's being followed. So you might be a Shrestha for just your family or a friend circle or maybe a larger political party, whatever it is. But you need to be exemplary in how to deal with this COVID-19 pandemic. The Gita says, Yad yad acharati shreshthas tattat devet rojana. Whatever a Shrestha or a leader does, a common man follows. So I want to talk to all of you as leaders in your own small or big circle of influence. What will you do? The government will do its own job, but that is not sufficient. If we do not support, then we are equally responsible. So wherever in the world the pandemic has come in control and they are sort of having a free life without lockdowns, only few things have helped. And they are not your fancy diets or breathing exercises or some Ayurvedic medicines or even allopathic medicines. They are all support, all of them. I'm not saying that they are wrong, but the basic thing, the most important thing is only three. Wearing a mask and wearing it properly. That means wearing it on nose and mouth together, not here, not here. Social distancing. Keep enough distance, at least 6 feet or 2 meters distance between any person who is affected or suspected. Now, at current situation, everyone is suspected. So keep a safe distance. And repeated hand washing or use of sanitizer and at least cleaning your hands with the sanitizers very repeatedly as soon as you touch any surface. So these three things will definitely make sure that the society is protected. Now, another thing is added. We can win this war with a very, very strong immunization program. So vaccines are available. More vaccines will be available because we are also likely to import vaccines from other countries. Whichever vaccine you get, do not believe on any rumors or XYZ, something happened like this. Just take the vaccine. Vaccine doesn't stop the disease coming to you, but when it comes to you, you will be able to fight it well. Giving an example, Dr. Manmohan Singh, who is the ex-Prime Minister of India, at 86, he was affected by COVID. But fortunately, he was already vaccinated. He fought the battle well and he has come back home. Isn't it a good example? And we can see that several of our healthcare workers who are vaccinated, they are doing well when they are vaccinated. So vaccinate yourself as soon as you get a chance. Apart from that, in your personal life, sleep well, sleep adequately, sleep early. If you sleep well, keep your mind positive without the clutter of negative feelings from the social media, or in your own life there might be some anxieties. Keep them aside right now. Be happy. There are several things to be happy in life. You are alive, that's not, isn't it sufficient? Be happy about it. If you find reasons to be happy, there will be hundreds and thousands of reasons every day to be happy. So be in the positive frame of mind. Do not allow the negative things to impact you. And in this way, good sleep, good diet, and good thoughts. And in personal life, that will also protect you very much. Few words on if someone comes positive, if you yourself are positive, how do we support such a person? So I am suggesting to many of the social organizations, in your own communities, in your societies, create a small force of few individuals who are ready to volunteer to create a social help, because that helps a lot. When you are having disease like corona, which has so much captured the minds of the whole world, you start thinking that, oh, everything is the end of my life. But it's not so. 99% you're going to be okay. 99 people become all right. Why are you thinking that you will be that 1%? So do not allow yourself or anyone who is known to you and has affected by COVID to get into that negative mindset. Tell them to fight it well. Keep it positive. Support them by counseling, by whatever support they need for their family. And in this way, we'll all be able to triumph over this very, very dangerous COVID-19 pandemic which is coming to us. So, having said all this, I thank the Trust, Srimati Gadgi Trust, for giving me a chance to communicate my thoughts to all of you. And please take precautions, Three things once again in the social life: wearing mask properly, social distancing, repeated hand washing. Second, whatever vaccine is available to you, please take it. Third, if you have anyone or yourself having symptoms, immediately report. Early detection, early treatment, success is guaranteed. Do not come late. And keep a positive frame of mind and sleep well, eat well. Thank you.